This beast is pumping out English videos on YouTube, uploaded just 12 videos, about to hit 70,000 subscribers, and his channel is 100% monetized. Ads are running wild. According to Social Blade, he's pulling in up to $1,000 every single month. He's crushing self-improvement and motivational content, but with a killer, unique style. Look at this, only 12 videos uploaded, and check these views: 850K, 500K, another 500K, 200K. He's exploding with millions of views on long-form videos that are just 2 to 3 minutes each. Now, how is he creating these powerhouse videos? Let me play one for you real quick.
You're supposed to drown in debt, stuck in a job you hate with no escape plan. Growth is uncomfortable, so the best way to waste your 20s? Avoid it at all costs. Stick with the same toxic friends because
These videos are packed with epic stock footage, massive bold subtitles flying across the screen. But the real magic? His scripts. They're absolute game changers. Scripts that hit you like lightning, shake you to your core, ignite that inner fire, and scream, "What are you doing to yourself?" They wake you up to how you're living your life right now. This raw, no BS style is what the world craves, especially in the West, where people devour self-improvement content to level up and live their best lives. I'm about to unleash the ultimate secrets, how to craft the most explosive, jaw-dropping scripts that dominate, plus the complete step-by-step blueprint to build these videos from scratch, and exactly how he creates those thumb-stopping thumbnails. We're covering every single detail right here in this video. But before we dive deeper, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button right now to fuel your knowledge explosion and support the mission. And drop a like on this video if it's firing you up with new game-changing info. First off, check how this legend brands his channel with insane consistency. He's owning the red color vibe. He uses red as his base, crushing it across thumbnails, logo, everything. Total branding domination. You can explode with blue, yellow, whatever color pumps you up. Pick one and own it, just like this. Let's crush thumbnail creation step by step. Head over to canva.com. Right on the main screen, you'll see YouTube thumbnail blasting at you. If not, search YouTube thumbnail in the bar, click it, and land on the template page. Now, design time. Keep it simple but explosive. Click Elements, grab a square shape from Shapes, drag it onto your canvas, stretch it big to cover the background. Hit the color button up top, change it to whatever fire color you're owning. He's rocking red. For this example, let's ignite with yellow. Next, jump to Google, search Sad Man PNG, hit Images, and you'll find tons of transparent background images of emotional guys. Download one that hits hard. Back in Canva, click Uploads, upload that file from your phone gallery, drag it onto your canvas, resize it massively. Now, Elements again. Grab another square shape, drag it in, resize it into a strip. This strip is going over the eyes, just like he does for that mysterious, powerful punch. Adjust size, place it perfectly over the eyes. Color it red, black, whatever contrasts and explodes with your theme. He's mastering red with black contrast. Every thumbnail, consistent, unstoppable branding. You can add title text if you want, but he's keeping it clean and bold without. Pure power. Now move to video creation. Step 1. Generating ideas and scripts. I'm dropping the ultimate prompt so you can generate unlimited ideas, scripts, and everything with one killer system. Check my video description. You'll find them all there. First, idea generating prompt. Second, script writing prompt, and a bonus one we'll use later. Copy the idea generating prompt from the description, head to ChatGPT or any AI like DeepSeek, paste it into the box, hit enter, boom. It explodes with 10 insane video ideas that'll blow your mind. Let me read some. Stop lying to yourself. Powerful. Then this third one is straight fire. Why are you still broke and tired? This hits deep, forces massive self-improvement awakening. These titles are pure dynamite. They'll shake viewers and ignite change. I'm obsessed with that third one. Let's build a full script on it. Back to the description, copy the script writing prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, then add your chosen title at the end. Copy "Why are you still broke and tired?" Paste it in, hit enter. Boom. Instant full script, starting with a killer hook, ending with a powerful call to action. Perfect 2 to 3 minute length, just like his videos. Copy the entire script, paste into Notepad, delete headings like hook and call to action, clean it into one unstoppable narration flow. Step 2. Creating the full video with AI. Now, the game-changer website that turns your script into a complete, ready-to-upload video. Stock footage, auto-added, voiceover crushing it, subtitles popping. You do almost nothing. Google Visla AI. Click the first link. Sign up free. Email or Google sign-in. Boom. Dashboard. Blindly click Create Video. It asks for a prompt. Skip that. We have our script. Click Text below, select the script option, paste your full cleaned script into the box, up to 5,000 words, even hours-long videos possible. Hit Confirm. Back on the page, your script is uploaded. Now video description, how you want clips, speed, transitions. Copy the one from my video description, below the prompts, paste it in. Script selected, hit Next, continue. Processing takes 2 to 3 minutes, then boom, full scenes explode on screen. Left side, audio and style options to tweak voiceover. Then smash Generate Video. It starts building. Minutes later, your video is ready, scene by scene, dialogues perfectly matched with epic visuals. Play it, the matching is insane. Everything syncs to shake the viewer. Step 3. Fixing watermarks and final edits. One issue, some stock clips have watermarks. Solution 1, many upload with them. No monetization problems, channels thrive. It looks a little off, but it works. Solution 2, remove them free. Click the 3 dots on any scene with watermark. Hit B-roll recommendations. It shows alternatives. Diamond or crown icons are paid, watermark. No icon is free. Swap to free ones, confirm, watermark gone. Or for all at once, hit Export. Choose Regenerate with free stock. It swaps every clip to free, no watermarks anywhere. Then export again, video renders, download straight to your phone, watermark free. Big problem, we turned off small subtitles and no background music yet. He uses massive bold subtitles. Fix this manually in any editor. I'm using CapCut. Import your video and a background music track. Grab royalty-free from YouTube audio library. First, select video, zoom in slightly, hides any tiny leftover logos and makes it more dynamic. Left side, captions button, auto captions, generate. Instant perfect captions matching every word. Presets, templates, pick a bold, free style you love. Select all captions, scale them huge, massive on-screen text just like his. Add text, add heading, type your channel name, resize, color match your brand, place top, stretch full video length. Export, your final powerhouse video downloads, ready to dominate. If this video fires you up, smash that like button right now and share it with your crew to spread the energy.
Look at your life for a second. You're broke. You're tired. You're stuck in the exact same place you were last year, maybe worse. And I hate to break it to you, but it's your fault. Every damn bit of it. Nobody forced you to scroll endlessly on your phone. Nobody shoved junk food down your throat. Nobody made you hit snooze on your dreams every single morning. That was all you. You want to know the ugly truth? You're addicted to comfort, and comfort is quietly killing your potential. Your brain is wired to avoid discomfort at all costs. That's why you keep choosing the easy road, Netflix over reading, complaining over doing, procrastinating over progress. And guess what? The easy road always leads to the same dead end, broke, tired, mediocre. Here's the part you really don't want to hear. No one is coming to save you. No guru, no boss, no politician. If you're waiting for the right time or some magical motivation to strike, you've already lost.